Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, today is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. It's not going to be very big. I actually went there to pick up some cleaning supplies, and just picked up a little extra, so thought I would share with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, first off, I looked and looked and looked to see if I could find any more of these, to see if they were different, but this was the only one I found. Our Adventure Fund. And I thought that was really cute, and I can open up the back. So I think I'm going to use this to start plopping money into for the cruise. And yeah, like I said, I was just curious to see if there were any other ones, because this is the only one I saw in my store. So I thought that was a fun find. And then I picked up, they call them magical adhesive dots. I love sticky dots. I normally get the what's the main brand? I can't think what they are. I have a ton of them. Anyway, I thought I'd give these a try to see if they're any good. If they are, then I'll pick up some more. So yeah. So there are those. Then I found these super cute little fuzzy socks that have a sloth on them. So they're going out in Happy Mail. I thought they were cute. And super soft. I actually enjoy getting these at Dollar Tree. Yeah. Okay. These guys here, I have mentioned these. They are so cute. It's not even funny. They remind me of Q*bert. The little pink balls go in their nose, and then you squeeze their belly, and it shoots out. And I already picked up 3 of these just to have fun around the house. And then I figured this would be fun to send to my son and his wife, and they can chase each other around. And shoot each other with little bunny noses. But don't they kind of remind you of Q*bert? I mean, that little schnoz. So, got those. In the Easter aisle, they had these guys. I got 2 of each. I got 2 bunnies and 2 of the lamb. But they're felt craft kits. And I just thought they were pretty darn adorable. And for $1 you get, is it 6? Yeah, 6 in each. And then here are the little bunny rabbits. And that's what they look like. So I just thought those would be fun to play with. So grabbed those. And I got this, and I got another bag. This says work hard, play hard. But there's another one that says no prob llama. It's got a llama on the front. But I actually got it just to take to work. Part of my being anemic, I love to chew on ice. And so I actually take cups to work every day. And I just thought this would be a little handier than, I just take them in a grocery bag. So the llama one, we're going to see how it holds out. Yeah. So, and they had some other ones. They had 4 different styles, but I only picked up the 2. I saw this cute little guy. I think he's going to go sit up somewhere high. All the little sloth fuzzy sock fuzzies are all over everything. But I just thought he was adorable. They also had a unicorn and something else, and I can't remember what it was, and I didn't really care for either one, so I picked up that guy right there. They had these different macarons. They had this mint to be, they had a strawberry, and they had another one, and I almost picked them up, but I'm like, you know, I like mint, so you know, I'd at least try the mint, and I do like strawberry, but I don't need a lot of these simply because I prefer the EOS, but I just wanted to give this a try. Plus, it's cute. Let's see. Maybe I should have read the directions. Does it pop open or twist? There we go. So, there's not much minty to it. Yeah, I can't even really smell it either. Just kind of, yeah, it's So I'm glad I didn't get the other ones. But it's still cute. So it might just go sit up somewhere and be adorable. Let's see. I told you guys it's not a big haul. I passed on these guys before, and then I decided, you know, I'll pick them up. I can drop them in some Happy Mail or who knows. And it's 8 of them for $1, and they are really cute. You can see them. There's those. I picked up a Sharpie for work because I go through those like crazy. Actually, I take the back. I picked up 2. Then I saw these stickers. I thought they'd be fun to decorate some mail going out. And there's 4 sheets. So there's that. And I thought I would try out these beads. I got 2 of each. So this is kind of like your, I guess your purples. Well, not really, because you've got pink in there, purple. These are like a brown, like a rust brown. They are all glass. And they're a nice size. I like the size. So I picked up 2 of that one. And then 2 of these blues. I really liked these blues. And this one's kind of like a, not holographic. It's got like a color shift on these ones down here at the bottom. So pick those up. And they had these in like blacks and golds, and I didn't really care for, and there were some red ones, but I didn't like, there were a lot of these bugle beads, and I don't see myself using a lot of bugle beads, so I passed on those. So there's those. And then just some cleaning, picked up some gloves. I like to grab toothbrushes there. I just grabbed a couple of Colgates, and I keep these in the bathrooms because we have guests a lot, and everybody always forgets a toothbrush, and so they each get their own, and then they can just take it with them or not. So there's that. And then a Colgate. I know I can get it cheaper, and it's actually not the one we use all the time. I actually use Sensodyne whitening enamel builder or whatever. And then a new fluff, whatever. You know, change these out like every month or whatever. So anyway, there were some other things, like some laundry stuff that I pick up, and I've already put that in the laundry room. So yeah, that is my Dollar Tree haul, y'all. I was hoping to find some more of their acrylic boxes, but they didn't have, my store didn't have any. I might check, there's a larger store near me that I may check out tomorrow on the way home from work. They tend to carry more of the stuff that I see on like Lisa's Hauls or K is for Karen or Anna Only in My Dreams. That store tends to carry those items, but I just don't bother going over there because I just hate the traffic. Anywho, that is it, guys. Don't forget, the entries are rolling in for the MemoryDex challenge. If you're interested in it, there will be a link at the end of this video, or like you can click on the screen. And then there'll also be a link down in the description if you are interested in entering that challenge giveaway. It is open until April 17th, and then that's the postmark date. If it's not postmarked by that date, then it's a null and void. But loving everything that is showing up so far. You guys are so creative and talented. So I'm loving this. Anywho-ha, that is it. I'm gonna go get ready for bed. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'm filming this on Wednesday. You guys are gonna be seeing it on Thursday, but yeah. So as always, I love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.